So the topic we are going to discuss, the topic is what is more important, beauty and brain. So you have got 10 minutes to speak on the topic, so you can start now. Ji ma'am, start.
So good afternoon everyone. My name is Bhumi Singh and I live in Agra. Today I am here to discuss about girls should braining or beauty. So in my opinion, girls should be braining because beauty is not that much important. For everyone wants to success in their life and it's happened because of by brain only. Thank you so much.
In any girl is a terrific combination, but she said that brain is more important. I don't agree with it. Beauty is also important. The sentence you all know about, the first impression is the last impression.
In my opinion, brain is very important. Because other place is going to only see the your brain thinking and all many things. Not survive without brain any there. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all of you. My name is Anshi Kumari. I live in Agra. In my opinion, even the beauty contest like Miss World and Miss Universe and one of their base is intellect and not in the beauty alone. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Ayushi Gadam. In my opinion, firstly, regardless of any gender, beauty and brain is important for every gender, and beauty, brain is more attractive than beauty because intelligence stays permanent than beauty.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Muskan Gupta, I belong to Agra, UP. In my opinion, beauty is often defined by how women look, but in my opinion, beauty is women's intelligence.
After everyone answered, my name is Navya Gupta. Beauty is important because Kevin Peel is a beautiful woman and brain also.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Janvi, and I am from Mathura. In my opinion, beauty is not important because I can take example of Manisha Kharwa, who was lived in Dharavi with slum people. Now she became model and she signed to Hollywood movies.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Nitesh from Agra. In my point of view, beauty is more better than brain because beauty is more attractive and than the brain. Brain is not matter, beauty is matter. It is a physical appearance. It is its physical appearance to everyone meeting first time. So thank you.
Anyone statement about beauty is important, but brain not.
Yes, because if you going somewhere for interview, then they look your beauty, not your brain. Brain after that
Why
they
not brain?
firstly they look your beauty, not your brain.
Okay, when you are giving your interview, for why you are giving your interview? For getting a job. But without brain you can't get a job. They are not
You
looking
must
for
have know about
they are not looking for a good candidate who is looking a beautiful. They want a brain people who has a brain.
People
But
have,
beauty is more attractive
you can
than the
judge
brain.
anyone
only for first impression.
People
Then
have,
we will use
Yes.
brain.
Can you live without brain? If you are beautiful,
Actually,
but you
our
don't
brain is
have brain,
not-
how to live a proper life? Can you live? No, you can't live. You don't know. In fact, you don't know how to earn the money. It's without money, how can you live? Because by braining also only you can earn the money.
But beauty plays an important role than the brain.
I
Because
agree.
our brain, if just from beauty, if we don't have any knowledge of, only some basic knowledge we have, then so first we attract from our beauty, not a brain.
If that person asks you any question, then how will you give the answer? Because
We
they
can
want a
say,
brain.
we can say,
Yeah.
we people don't get the confidence to use
They are
her.
selected by its beauty, but it will not stay permanent or stay longer.
what's the matter if she can't answer the question of the interviewer? they will reject her. What the point
We
of
can
beauty?
say that any ugly person can't build confidence about our personality, so they can't use the brain in the good way. So beauty is the way to praise your things and build confidence. We can say that for using his or her brain.
I agree for beauty. Beauty is important some places, like not a good beauty, so then rejected for some places. I agree this. Even for the marriages, only beautiful girls are not.
Yes, they want an educated girl. They are not looking for a beautiful girl. They want a girl who can manage their field, who can manage work, and who can give education to their children. If the girl is not educated, then how is the future?
Who's smart or intelligent?
Give the answers.
Carry on.
Yes.
Hi, my
Okay,
name.
okay.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Elvin. I'm from Agra. So obviously, the opinion for me is brain. As brain always stays up than the beauty, because undoubtedly the brain works more than the beauty, because the external beauty is external and the brain is internal thing. So obviously the brain matters a lot.
In just several minutes.
Brain is important because people have survive on brain. There is a no brain, not survive and not independent. Thank you.
Women should be independent, and it is only possible when woman is brainy with internal beauty. It's not only about external beauty; it's about internal beauty.
Beauty will not give anything to her.
The conclusion is that girls should be brainy, not beauty is not
Conclusion:
important.
regardless of gender, beauty and brain is important for everyone, and brain is more important for anyone because intelligence will stay permanent and not the beauty.
In both things are important. Every girl should work on the beauty as well, but the brain is the given thing which we need to use.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So this is the part 2 of the video. We had already had discussion on the topic beauty and brain. What is more important for the girls? Girls should be more beautiful or should be more brainy? Now this is the second group of the batch. So I want you to start the discussion. What is your opinion on the topic? So who would like to initiate the topic? May go ahead. Anybody?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. My name is Komal Brahma. So today we are going to discuss on the topic girls should brain or beauty. So in my opinion, both are important as per the particular field. We can take the example of aviation industry. Both things are important. So we should develop both the things, and if we don't have anything one of these, so we try to develop. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Naina Khan. In my opinion, girls should have a beauty or brain. Both of the things are important. When you will work in any industry, so firstly they will check your knowledge. But in aviation sector, when they will going to there, so they will check your beauty and your knowledge also.
My name is Isha Darun. In my opinion on this topic, like brain and beauty are so important for girls. But in my opinion, beauty is some aspect, but brain is help for all of industry.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mustafa, and in my opinion, brain is more important than beauty, because beauty is not permanent, but brain is permanent. If we got made an accident, our beauty can destroy, but our brain cannot destroy. So, in my opinion, brain is important.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samgot. And beauty. In my opinion, beauty is in receptionist job. Beauty is important, and many other jobs beauty is important. And like if a girl have beauty, so she is doing a receptionist job, and they don't have brain, so she is not approach a person to how to join. And thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aradhya. I want to say that there are two types of beauty: inner beauty and outer beauty. So, in my point of view, a girl should be more beautiful from inside rather than being beautiful from outside, because as we all know, outer beauty can be maintained, can be achieved by plastic surgeries or by doing makeup and something, but inner beauty is something which is from inside and which can't be built by a person if he or she doesn't see what flaws they are facing. So a girl should be more brainy or should have inner beauty more than outer beauty.
I would like to say something. First impression is like last impression. If the first impression is like last impression, if we say that if a person have,
sorry to bother you, but I support. My name is Ritu, and I support brain because you can see we can include an example of our president Draupadi Murmu. She has a black complexion, but she is our president. So that is the good way we can take an example of president because she is so talented. That's why I am support brain.
My opinion that everyone has both beauty and intelligence, but also neither. So it depend on us that how we see the
You are
world.
not supposed to complete the topic in beginning. There's a conclusion of the topic. You are supposed to take one side, then you can speak a better way.
In my opinion, as my competitor said, beauty is not important. So in my opinion, beauty is not necessary for all industry, but brain is necessary for all industry, because when you have a knowledge, so you can easily success in your life, and you can easily achieve your goals.
My point of view on this topic. As we know, Bollywood industry is give a more importance to beauty rather than the brain, because there is a more celebrity. They take a cosmetic surgeries for being a beautiful.
There are so many actors like Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Nawazuddin Siddiqui is not beautiful, but he is a talent, and they achieve more in Bollywood. And in my opinion, I think grooming is more important than beauty. If a person is well groomed, he looks beautiful, and brain is important for me.
If person are already needs some beauty, so they will.
Sorry to bother you, but what about Rakhi Sawant? She used many type of product, but she don't have knowledge how to speak in front of someone.
So Ritu, she is not working in industry as
no, but she everyone support, but sometimes she has no knowledge how to speak in front of someone.
That is why paparazzi and everyone doesn't like her, and she has no respect in industry. In my point of view, everyone talks shit about her at her back. So there is no point of doing cosmetic surgeries.
No, this is our topic is beauty and brain. That's why I include an example of Rakhi Sawant.
If you see industries like movies or daily soap, these basically run on the beauty of the person, not brain, because dialogues are given to the contestant or the participant or the actors who are working there. So they don't have to use their brain, they just have to look beautiful.
So I support brain because we can take an example in social media. I seen 8 ladies started our business 1950 80 rupees, and nowadays their turnover 16 crore, which is the name of Lijjat Papad, because they use our brain.
See Ritu, everything has their own basic needs. So these types of industry needs beauty, not brain, and the business needs brain, not beauty. So it also depends on what type of work you have.
As we talk about our aviation
beauty and brain sometimes.
As we talk about our aviation industry first need a well-groomed girl, well-groomed person, because first impression is the last impression, and beauty or grooming is a face of our industry.
Sorry, Khushi,
so beauty is also important
but
it is also important along with the brain.
But it is not true. If you talk about aviation industry, firstly you are just according to your brain. If you are not able to speak, if you are not able to communicate, then they are not going to hire you. It doesn't mean how beautiful you
But
are.
sometimes your beauty is beneficial for you.
Yes, if there are two contestants who
the first one is little bit less groomed and the second one is well groomed, then you are going to be judged on your grooming. But firstly, you are going to be judged on your
as you know, we judge a person by their
louder
beauty.
as comparison your beauty.
So that's what I said. Now your beauty matters more in aviation industry also.
I want others people to consider quiet. I want them
Like I
to be
have
quiet.
example of Urfi Ramesh. She is show
So
in
probably
front.
first of all.
She is show in front of camera full of nudity, but she don't have any kind of knowledge.
She is using her brain because she knows nobody is going to do such types of things, and she said in an interview that by doing these types of things she is getting fame, she is getting money, then why should he stop doing this? So she is using her brain.
Sometimes,
Why is it
sometimes,
his beauty?
Yeah, sometimes beauty helps us to get our aim, and but if we talk about aviation, beauty helps to get our aim, but the aviation is more behind the traveling and the fashioning. Because if we talk about a cabin crew, they have the more responsibility of safety of the passengers, and they have more responsibility of the flight. So I think, in my opinion, brain is more important than beauty.
Yes, brain is important. Everything.
In my opinion, yes, brain is important, but there are so many people who support brain, but they also like the people who have some beauty or some grooming. So people are still backward in this.
So I have one question, Komal. If we say to you that there is a two boys, one is a very beautiful, very well groomed, and then second person is a brainy person, but he is a dark complexion. So which person you will have to choose?
In my opinion, everything has their own pros and cons. So I think.
First, I want to answer the question. We can take example Barack Obama. Barack Obama is the ex-president of America, and he is not beautiful. So, Komal, you should choose the brainy person.
Yes, in my opinion, girls should have a beauty, because as we all know that in this era most of the girls they don't have a beauty. So their society people doing a bad bitching on her. So they going to be suicide.
But
So I think
Nana, we should
I want
change
others to
we
people
should
to speak
change
up.
their opinion by our performance, by our hard work.
But we can't change them, na. We
Like
can't
we
change
have-
the mentality of the society.
I want to
because
answer
it's
Nena, because there is if any person judging you by your nature or by your beauty complexion, but there is also a law by which you can also did the report on that person. By if any person judge you by your complexion or by your body.
Sometimes family doesn't support you. They will say that instead of getting in these types of matters, stay quiet. So then the people who have dark complexion or any weight issue, then they attempt suicide, because not everyone's family support.
But I answering, but by answering the
But if girl is beautiful, then she will like a trophy girl. We can show them. We can meet with the friends to her. But there is no importance of her in my life. So I will choose a brainy girl.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Krishna. Today I give my opinion on the topic of beauty is more important than brain. In my opinion, brain is more important, because as we all know today time everyone notice beauty, but brain is most important. If anyone can get success in their life, no one can notice their beauty. Everyone appreciate a successful man.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Jyotiraj. Beauty is attractive, but there are nothing more attractive than talent and intelligence. Beauty without intelligence is like a masterpiece of painted on a napkin.
In my opinion, girls should be intelligent also, because we saw that there are so many industry like modeling industry. They don't need a beautiful girl, but they also want an intelligent girl. So it is depend on the industry or which type of industry you choose. Every industry need beauty and intelligence also.
So not every
we have example of
not every industry. Not every
Like you can
industry.
take give me an example.
Yes, UPSC exam. UPSC exam did not want any beauty. They want talented person, any
So
field.
I told that.
Sorry for that, but she already told you that there is some. It's depends on you which type of industry you have choose.
She told her every industry want beauty and brain.
No, I just tell about the modeling industry that they are focusing on people are think that they are only focusing beauty, but it is not correct because they are also want intelligent person as well as beauty.
I support Komal. We have example of Aishwarya Rai. She have both of things, beauty and brain, because she is Miss Universe.
So if we talk about beauty contest, in that contest the girls are not judged on basis of their skin tone. They are judged on their how they think, how their personality is. So it is very wrong if we say that everyone is judged on their looks. It does depend how beautifully you are presenting yourself in your own body type, in your own body skin, without getting embarrassment.
As you are talking about the Bollywood industry, I would like to take an example of Jacqueline. Jacqueline is very attractive and very beautiful, but they have no brand, and many people say them a dummy girl.
So she is not successful in this industry. She is not working anywhere.
Why not? They are.
She is not now. She is doing nothing in the industry. She is not doing movie from so many times. She doesn't have any album from so many times. So industry also know what type of people they should have to give work.
So in my opinion, in conclusion, I would like to say that.
Not conclude right now.
Okay.
I would speak this. She
Good
has
afternoon everyone, I am Ansika Gautam. According to me, with health beauty, you achieve one-time success, but not make a professional life. And many people think there is nothing without beauty. So what do you think about Stephen Hawking and Albert Einstein also? Because it's very successful in your life. Thank you.
Yours.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Anshika Rajput. In my opinion, both are important for us because if we have beauty, so we are hide the beauty. We have not beauty, we are cover the beauty for the makeup, but we have brain. So
I want to listen her also.
beauty is only skin deep. If you go to a date for a person.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am point of view. Beauty is more important. Beauty is God gifted, but brain is every people are knowledge and some.
In my opinion, if any person can do a work in any field or any stream, a beautiful person cannot survive a longer time. But a intelligent and brainly person can survive in that industry in longer.
Yeah, I will agree with the question. As I said, beauty is not permanent, but the brain is permanent. If we, with the help of beauty, we can achieve our goal, but we cannot be a part of our goal. So to be a part of our goal, we should have a brain.
I talking about myself, I choose one boys, one have brain and one have beauty. So I choose brainy boy instead of beauty.
No, if you meet a very first time to that boy, then how you know how much brain
Last
he has,
20 seconds.
how much
After 20
brain
seconds,
he
you have
has
to
or
conclude.
not.
We can.
You judge the person by their.
No, I not judge of.
Nisha, I would like to say that I want to cover this topic that we should increase our thinking horizon. Everyone has their own beauty and own intelligence. So we should not judge any person by their intelligence or a beauty, and we should try to increase our strength or skills.
We should not be judging a person by its look or by its brain. Then on what purpose you are going to judge a person if you are saying that you don't have to judge a person?
If we mix they both words, so we can also say the smart person. Smart person has a brain, and beautiful. Both these things has a smart. both these things.
So there is the famous.
Smart person have both these things.
Yeah. So there is the famous Kyoto. Don't judge a book by its cover. Thank you.
Yes.
Nice discussion.